Hello everyone, today we will solve a resultant problem. Here the problem states, in figure 34, a boat is being pushed forward against a resistance of Q equals 50 pound. If the resultant force in the x direction is R equals plus 200 pound, determine the F and theta algebraically and graphically. To do that, we will have to first draw a free body diagram. Let's draw the free body diagram here. Let's draw the horizontal axis and then a vertical axis. Here, along the horizontal axis, there is a force of Q, which is 50 pound. So let's add that 50 pound. And then there's a angled force with the angle of theta with the horizontal axis, which is F. And then there's the 80 pound force, which is 30 degree with the horizontal axis. And here the summation of f of x, or the summation of all the horizontal forces, equals 200 pound, where rightward is positive. So if we sum all the horizontal forces here, that would be first the 50 pound. Here the 50 pound is acting leftward, so it would be minus 50 pound. And then the 80 pound force, which is acting along the positive side or the rightward, so we will take plus 80. And since it is angled with the horizontal axis to 30 degree, so we will take cos 30 degree. And plus, similar to the 80 pound, we have the F, so we will write F cos theta equals 200 equals F cos theta equals 200 plus 50 minus 80 cos 30. Therefore, F cos theta equals 200 plus 50 minus 80 cos 30 degree. Then we will get 180.72 pound. Let's find out the summation of f of y, which would be in this case 0, and we will take the upward as positive, equals 0. And here the forces acting along the vertical axis are F and 80 pound. So let's write that down. For the 80 pound, which is acting upward, 80, and since it is making an angle with the horizontal axis, so we will take sine 30 degree minus the F force, which is making a theta angle with the horizontal axis, so we will write F sine theta equals 0. Therefore, F sine theta equals 80 sine 30 degree. So we will take the first one from the summation of f of x as equation 1, and from the summation of f of y we will take the equation 2, and then we will divide the equation 2 with the equation 1. Then we will get f sine theta divided by f cos theta equals, which was 80 sine 30. So let's write it down. 80 sine 30 degree divided by 180.72. Then we will get from here both f would be even out each other, and then we will get tan theta equals 80 sine 30. Then we will get, sorry, it will be 80 sine 30. Then we will get 40. So we will write that down. 40 by 180.72. Therefore theta would be tan inverse 40 by 180.72. Therefore theta would be tan inverse 40 divided by 180.72. Then we will get the theta equals 12.48 degree. 12.48 degree. So we have found the value of theta. Now let's find out the value of f. To do that, we can put the value of theta in equation 2. Then we will get f sine theta equals 40, since 80 sine 30 equals 40, which we have calculated. Then we will write f is equal to 40 divided by sine 12.48. Therefore the value of f would be 40 divided by sine 12.48. So the value of f would be 185.1 pound. So that would be the answer for this problem, which were theta and the value of f. Thanks for watching.